In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate TikTok with your Shopify store. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, following along can help enhance your store's marketing strategies. By the end of this guide, you'll have the TikTok app installed and ready to use on your Shopify platform, empowering you to reach millions of potential customers. Let's begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once inside, you should be on the home page. This acts as your command center where you can manage everything related to your store. Now the aim is to add a new app. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu with various options such as Home, Orders, Products, and so on. Click on the Apps tab. This will take you to the section where you can manage the apps you already have installed or add new ones. Once you're on the Apps page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a button there labeled Add Apps. Give it a click. You'll notice this brings up a few options. What you want to do next is select the Visit Shopify App Store button. This link will take you directly to a new page that showcases a wide variety of apps that you can use to enhance your store's functionality. Here you can find marketing tools, sales channels, optimization apps, and many more. For today, our focus is on integrating TikTok. To do this, locate the search bar at the top of the App Store page. Click inside the search bar and type the word TikTok. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon to initiate the search. The search results will populate, showing multiple TikTok-related apps, but for our purposes, you'll want to click on the official TikTok app. Selecting this will take you to the app's detail page where you can read through the features, benefits, and reviews from other users. This page gives you the information you need to ensure that this app is what your store requires. After confirming this, the next step is quite straightforward. You'll see an Install button on this page. Click it. This action will start the installation process. You may have to accept permissions or terms of service before the app installs, so be sure to read through any prompts that appear and click Allow or Accept to proceed. And there you have it. With these easy steps, the TikTok app is now part of your Shopify toolkit, opening new avenues for engagement and customer interaction through vibrant video content and marketing strategies on one of the world's leading social media platforms. Make sure to explore the app's features and tailor them to your store's needs. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more Shopify guides.